Good morning, Clay Thompson here with Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Eclipse Attitude. This is the 32 IBG, and I would say it's probably your best pull trailer for pulling your side-by-sides. Come on inside, let me show you why. So this is the 32 IBG, ordered it specifically for the person that's going to put their side-by-side in because it's going to have the ultimate width. There is no slide in the living room area, so nothing's coming in 18 to 25 inches for that slide out on other floor plans. This has the metal fender well, so it's a drive up, drive on fender well if we need that exterior width for our side-by-sides. And as we can see, the width from the body is going to be wall to wall. We're right at 99 inches. And nothing's going to intrude. We're going to move these chairs. They're freestanding, so they'll move out of the way. The couch will fold up. It's going to stick out a little bit, but nothing that's going to get in the way of a side-by-side when we have about 16 feet of cargo space from rear door to counter here. So we can put our toys in here and have plenty of room, as well as plenty of room when they're outside to entertain with the family members and friends while we're inside the trailer. Another thing that I wanted to show you is the cabinetry on here. Where they block all of our side walls, where the cabinets go screw into the walls, they use metal backing. That's a magnet, so it shows you that they're using metal backers where they screw these cabinets in. So they're not just going through real thin wall aluminum, they're actually getting screwed into metal. So something you might want to pay attention to when looking at other brands as well. A nice clean control center with the AM, FM, CD, Jensen, Bluetooth, DVD, does it all right there one place. All of our switching, lighting, dimmer switch for the kitchen area, our tank monitor panels and whatnot, all in one place. Nice big deep cabinetry throughout, all the way down. Nice big patio window. It's got the underlit LED lights around the window frames. Nice dark shades there. Chairs here, freestanding. Extremely comfortable chairs. But they can be moved outside on the patio, or they can be moved out to the back patio. This is going to have the upper bunk with that is standard now is the opposing dinette. So it's a nice 6-person dinette with 2 individual tables here that'll lay down to be our dinner table area or playing cards or what have you, with the rear patio deck as our party deck out the back end. This one has the rear screen wall as well with the cable, so already equipped. Another big bank of cabinetry here on this side. Couch folds up. Gives us plenty of room, doesn't stick out any further than our fender well. So like I said, anything that's going to pull in here that's going to fit in any type of trailer should fit really nice in this floor plan. Plenty of space, plenty of width, plenty of windows, plenty of cabinetry, nice big counter area, solid surface countertops here, LED inline edge lighting, nice pantry, 3-burner cooktop, nice oven, adjustable shelving. It's got the one-piece stainless steel sink. Some people call it the farm sink. Nice big window in the kitchen area. Pull-out nozzle, bank of drawers, TV, cabinetry, refrigerator. Everything is real accessible, very easy to get to. Again, plenty of room. As we walk through the hallway here, it's got a nice big bathroom. Cabinets in the bathroom, drawers, Ducted heat coming into the bathroom as well. Porcelain toilet. Stainless steel sink. Vanity here. Nice, large, fantastic fan. Not your little $2 cheapy fan. Nice shower with the skylight. Plenty of room. Somebody with my size can fit in. Has plenty of room to shower. Pass through into the bedroom. Wow, what a beautiful room this is. This has the wardrobe slide out, the second AC, the 5500 watt gen, the solar panels already on the roof, nice big queen bed, overhead cabinetry, individual lighting, little cubby holes beside each side of the bed, plug-ins beside each side of the bed, storage underneath the bed. This one has the 1800 watt inverter with the battery disconnect, so therefore we can watch TV without having to fire up the generator. Very, very nice feature. Hallway coming out with the hallway lights, or excuse me, hallway windows that brightens it up. Come on outside, let me show you some exterior features. This one has the great big patio awning, plenty of LED lights. You got your doorway lights, you got your awning lights, and you got your spotlights on the side. This unit weighs about 9,700 pounds as it's equipped. It is a triple axle, metal fender wells, Zerk fittings on all the shackles. We have the underglow lighting here for the party side. 16-inch wheel and tire, very heavy duty. Exterior speakers, this also has the upgraded kicker stereo system. Storage hose for your drain hose. The back overhang here with the spotlights out the back. Spare tire up underneath. Reflectorized graphics, reflectorized taillights. Everything's LED throughout, inside and out. We got the ladder connected to the side. Got the big fuel station with pump here with gauge, and the pump inside here. This is going to have the off-door roadside spotlights as well. 50 amp cord, large water heater, outside shower. Like I said, the bedroom ward slide here, the big gen. The nice one-piece end cap. Notice the LED lights on the cap here. Storage for 2 batteries on the tongue. 2 big propane tanks and the power tongue jack. We have a large variety of the Attitude toy hauler and or fifth wheels. I really enjoy selling these things. I'm a side-by-sider as well, so I know they fit, I know they work really well. They're very popular here on the Oregon Dunes. If you have any questions on different sizes and fits for other machines or what have you, feel free to give me a call. Remember, my name is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. My direct number's 541-979-1770. Make sure you call me and I can get you the information on these things. Thank you and have a great day.